In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud files directly from your iPhone. If you've ever found yourself needing quick access to your documents, photos, and other files stored in iCloud while on the go, you'll find this guide incredibly useful. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate and retrieve your iCloud files effortlessly. To get started, let's focus on the Files app. It's a handy utility that comes pre-installed on your iPhone, making it a gateway to all your cloud and local files. So the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Files app on your iPhone's home screen. Simply tap on it to open. Once the Files app is open, you'll notice a bar at the bottom labelled Browse. Go ahead and tap on Browse to proceed. This is where you'll navigate to different locations of stored files, including the ones on your cloud. Now let's move on to iCloud Drive. Under the Location section within the Browse tab, you should see an option labelled iCloud Drive. Tap on it. This step directs you to the central hub where all your files and folders stored in iCloud are visible. You'll see everything organised neatly here, much like a file explorer on a computer. However, if you don't see iCloud Drive listed under Locations, there's no need to panic. It's possible that it might not be enabled yet. In such cases, you should look for the three dots at the top of the screen. Tapping on these will bring up an option to edit. From here, you should see a switch next to iCloud Drive. Ensure this switch is turned on, giving you access to your iCloud files directly from the app. Now, just to reinforce ensuring iCloud Drive is enabled, there's an additional way to check directly from the Settings app. Here's how to do it. Head over to your iPhone's Settings and tap on your name, which appears at the top of the list. This takes you to your Apple ID settings. From here, proceed by tapping on iCloud, followed by iCloud Drive. If you find that the iCloud Drive toggle is off, simply switch it on. And there you have it. With iCloud Drive now enabled and accessible from your Files app, you have the flexibility to retrieve your documents from anywhere. Whether you need to open, edit, or delete files, it can now all be done directly from your iPhone. The next time you need a file from your iCloud, you'll be ready in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in streamlining your mobile workflow.